Do you have over 1,000 SMS units, but whenever you try sending somebody message on SMS, it doesn't work? Have you asked yourself the reason why? I have gotten solution for you. Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. This is Science School. Over here, what we do is we teach how to make money online, and we also teach tech techniques and tricks. In general, this channel is all about IT. If this is your first time being on this channel, I'll be glad that you hit on the subscribe button and then turn on the bell notification so that YouTube will notify you whenever we upload new video. And if you are all there, thanks for coming back. Now, our target for this month is I want us to hit 2K subscribers ending of this month. I trust you guys. Yes, I trust you guys. So if you are new on this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and then turn on the bell notification so that each and every time that I release new video, you'll be the first person to get it. Now, have you been trying to send a message to someone on SMS and then it is not working? You've checked your SMS units, you are having over 1,000 SMS units, but still it is not working. Now relax, I have gotten solution for you. Relax, I have gotten solution for you. So without further ado, I will take you off to my phone screen and then show you how to set up all this. And then at the end of this video, everything will be working perfectly. I'm signing out. Alright, now this is our phone that we are going to use, or SIM that we are going to use to send SMS to someone. So let me just open my SMS here and then select any of the numbers here and then try to send message to the person and see. Now let me write hey. Let me try sending it and see something. Just watch it carefully and see something here. Now you can see trouble sending. Yes, whenever I try sending message to someone on WhatsApp, all my contacts, it doesn't work. All what you will get is trouble sending. But if I check my SMS units that I'm having, you will see I'm having over 1,000 SMS units. But whenever I try sending message to someone, it doesn't work. You can see I'm having 1,738 SMS units. 1,738 SMS units. But have you asked yourself the reason why whenever I try sending message to someone it doesn't work? Have you asked yourself the reason why? Calm down, I have gotten solution for you. Now first of all, click on the icon here that looks like human head here and then click on message settings. Now on every phone, I don't know if this is TCL, I'm using TCL, I don't know how your setting will be appearing, but mine, unless I go to advanced, where is advanced, okay, some of the phones you will see it automatically whenever you click on the manage settings and then scroll down. When you scroll down, you see SMSC, which is the carrier number. That's the SMS carrier number. Every SIM needs carrier number to send SMS. Yes, every SIM needs carrier number to send SMS. When you check your phone and then the carrier number is 0000, which means there's something wrong with your carrier number. Yes, I think there's something wrong with your carrier number. But whenever you try clicking on it to change it, it doesn't work. When you click on it to change it, it doesn't work. Now you ask, what should I do to change this carrier number? And what's the carrier number at all? Which number is the carrier number? Calm down. So what you will do is you have to get keypad and then insert the SIM inside. Insert your SIM that you are using inside the keypad. Now when you insert it, I have already inserted it. You can see MTN. It is an MTN SIM. You have to go to messages here. I'm using itel. I don't know how other keypads work, but you follow the same procedure. You just take a closer look at what I'm doing. Let me go back. You go to messages and then you scroll down to SMS settings. SMS settings. All right, so you click on the same two here, and then you scroll. No, you need not to even scroll down. You see the SMS carrier address here. Just click on it like this, and then clear all of them. Clear all of them, and enter what I'm about to teach you here. You enter, start with plus. You have to start with plus here. 2 3. You enter plus 233, and then you type 2 4 4 5 0 0 0 0 0. 2 plus 233 2 4 4 5 0 0 0. Now this is the carrier number or carrier, the center carrier address for MTN. I don't know the network that you're using. I will just paste all the carrier numbers for all networks in the video description, so you gotta check from there. Now this is the carrier number for MTN, plus 233 244 50 00 00, and then you click on options, you click on done, you come back again, you click on options, you come down, and then you click on save. Now it has been saved successfully. So if you click on sim 2 here, you can see the carrier number that we said is here. Yes, it's here. Now let's go back and then insert it in our smartphone and see whether when we send SMS to someone it will work or it won't. So let me quickly insert it in my smartphone. Okay, so I have inserted the SIM back to the smartphone. Now let me go back. Let me go back and then click on this icon here. Go to messaging center, message settings rather. And let me go to advanced. Now when I scroll down here, you can see the carrier number has changed. Yes, the carrier number has changed, and I am assuring you that when you send message to someone on SMS, it will be working perfectly. Now let me go here. Now this was the same message that I was trying to send to someone, and then it wasn't working. Now let me just click on it, click here, and then click on resend and see whether it will work. And boom, it has been sent successfully. Let me try another one and see. Boom, you can see carrier message. Yes, that was the fault of the carrier number. Let me try another number for you to see it is not a scam or something. It will be working perfectly. To all numbers. Yes, and boom, it has been sent. So that's how to fix SMS sending problem on MTN SIM. I hope this video was helpful. I will place the SMS carrier number for all networks in the video description, so you gotta check from there whether you are using Folder, whether you are using Tigo, whether you are using Glow. I will paste all of the SMS carrier number in the video description, so you gotta check from there. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, kindly give it a thumbs up and then share for others to enjoy. Follow Ahinsko Solo Tech on YouTube, Instagram, and then on Twitter. It's Ahinsko here, and I'm out. Bye.